Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create a native mobile app for our existing Wix Studio site. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Mobile Apps on the left. Click on Get Started, and then select the site you want to work on or you want to create a mobile app for. Then click on Continue. First, set up how you'd like to call your app. Input your preferred app name right over here. And you can also upload an image of your app icon here. Click on Upload Media to upload your very own image. In my case, I'm just going to do this for demonstration and I don't have my own media, so I'm just going to take one from Wix. Once you're done with that, click on Next and then select your theme. Don't worry if there are not too many choices here. You can change this up later on. Click on Next and then choose your preferred navigation layout. You have two options to choose from. Once you're done, click Next. Here, you'll be given a QR code for you to scan and preview your app. And if you'd like to continue editing it, click on Continue to Edit App. And here we are on the mobile app editor. This is where you can customize your native mobile app. We're going to do a little tour of this workspace. Here on the mobile app editor, you've got the screen drop down. So this is where you can switch screens to work on. On the left, you have the Elements button, where you can find elements you can add to your selected screen. Next, we also have the Screens button, where you can add and manage screens. Next, we have the Design button, and this is where you can customize your mobile app's color theme, text theme, button theme, and header style. And then we also have custom widgets where you can build custom capabilities for your app. Through this, you can craft unique mobile interfaces with full layout and design control, AI accelerated with full manual control, so you're always in the driver's seat, and build visually or dive into code. By the way, you'll also notice this panel on the right, where you can configure settings based on the element that you click on. Once you're done working on your mobile app, preview it first. You'll be able to preview it in two ways. First is by opening the Wix app on your mobile, and second is by scanning the given QR code over here. Once you're done creating your app, you're going to need to do the following. So purchase a mobile app premium plan, connect an Apple developer and Google developer account, and submit the app to the App Store and Google Play. We will be adding the links to the Help Center for each of these, which you can check on the description box below. And that's it. That's how you create a mobile app for an existing Wix site. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.